Hi guys! So, it is May, Mama, ano? 19. And it's about almost 1 something or 12 something. And Mama is home. Hi guys! Michael. They will soon reunite.
Yeah, I will call him tomorrow. I'm so sad. I lost my soulmate.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy to be with Maria, but so sad to lose. I'm not losing Michael. It's just temporary. And we did something, just to. We have plans, guys, but we can't share.
Not yet.
Next year. Here's my girl's cheese and ham.
Oh, you can eat that. You can't eat that, Mama.
No.
My mom has eaten so much forbidden food, guys. Pizza and cheese.
When you're hungry, eat everything.
And today is the last day of our daily vlogs. So, the daily vlog I'm uploading right now is a bit late. So, I'm so sorry about that. The internet connection is so annoying. You have shown that. Oh my god, the smell. Oh, it's stronger now, Mama.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is it still okay?
Tastes a tiny bit too.
Do you have rice? Can you feed me rice?
There's half-eaten rice over there. I will be able to sleep tonight, I think, guys. Last night, sleeping update. Last night I slept at. I went to bed at 5, but I couldn't. I was just laying
Look what
there.
I put here, guys.
So I slept for 2 hours again. Yippee.
Rhode Island.
Oh my god, forbidden.
No,
Isn't
it's
it?
fat free.
Yeah, but it's dairy.
No dairy.
Huh?
Check it.
Is it vegan?
Check it, yeah.
Mama. There's egg and milk. Mama.
It's complete then.
Is it good still?
Have you eaten?
Yeah, that. Half of that. And Pinky hasn't eaten veggies yet, guys, because we ran out. So we will buy today so he can get his food. Guys, so we got home from our grocery shopping. So before we go out, I just need to take a Instagram shot and feed Pinky veggies. And then I also need to take this coughing medicine. Oh my god. The smell is, oh my god. Mama, it's like a challenge.
Smells like alcohol. What do I have here, love? Am I red?
A bit brown.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to do it. I have huba for after. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, that's so bad. So, I just want to show you guys the food we bought. So, so much food, guys. Look. We got some oranges, Alpro coconut yogurt, frozen berries, Pinky's food. Guys, ice cream. That one is vegan. That one is vegan. Oh.
Ay, kaya konti.
Thumbnail. Oh.
Dapat tayong dalawa.
Guys, so we got raspberry. Oh no, that's strawberry. No? Strawberry. Oh, this one underneath, Mama. The darker one is the raspberry. This one.
Like, what do you like better?
Oh my god. It tastes so fresh. I love it.
I couldn't take Michael here because then we would have eaten this.
Yeah, why didn't you?
We didn't have time. We only have time to cuddle
I saw.
and kiss and
Oh my god.
do some nasty.
Oh my god.
We went to Sweden. What do you like best? Raspberry or strawberry?
Raspberry.
Hmm?
Cow.
Strawberry.
Oh. Wow. So guys, I almost forgot to say goodbye to you guys. It's the end of the vlog and also the end of my daily vlogs for now, and soon I will be doing them again, but for now it's the end of it. And I really enjoyed vlogging every day because it was like I wasn't fully alone, and if I did not daily vlog I would have gone insane. So thank you so much guys for watching and all of the comments every day and stuff. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mama, do you want to say bye? Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
So tired, guys. Love you.
Like restricted. So number 4, have you ever stolen a street sign before? No. My god, I don't steal stuff like that. Do you like to use post-it notes? Yes, I'm obsessed with them.